مصلحا ومجددا فارنوا بنظر طاهر وجنان.
उसकी अपनी हाथ की लिखी हुई किताबें हैं बहुत ज्यादा। असल रोड़ा यही है ना, आपको पता ही नहीं है। फिर उसकी मिर्जा साहब की बहुत बड़ी ज्यादा किताबें लिखी हुई हैं, उसकी थोड़ी बहुत किताबें नहीं है। यानी वो बहुत बड़ा लिखारी थे, बहुत बड़ा मुसन्नफ था। जैसा आज के दौर में आप जाकिर नायक को जानते हैं ना, पूरी दुनिया के अंदर इस्लाम का एक नुमाइंदा है। यानी जहां कहीं भी किसी ईसाई, यहूदी, हिंदू, सिख किसी के साथ भी कोई मुनाजरे की बात हो, या कहते हैं जाकिर नायक को बुलाओ, बल्कि वो हजारों लाखों के बजे में ओपन लोगों के सवाल जो देता कि नहीं देता। ये मिर्जा कादियानी उस लेवल का इस्लाम का एक मनाजर था, इसका ये मकाम मर्तबा था अपने दौर के अंदर। जब इसकी ये मकबूलियत हुई है तो उसके बाद इसने मुजद्दिद होने का दावा किया है। और इसके ऊपर जब पता चल गया कि यानी इस लेवल का आलम बन चुका था कि उम्मत की कमजोरी क्या है।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम कुल लौ शाअ अल्लाहु मा तलौतुहु अलैकुम वला अदराकुम बिह फ़क़द लबिस्तु फ़ीकुम उमरन मिन क़ब्लिह अफ़ला तअक़िलून.
Like our Akabirin have already demonstrated, because in the early days he said he was Mujaddid, and a lot of our ulama followed him, and a lot of our ulama followed him, and a lot of our ulama followed him. It was not until he turned down and said he is Nabi. It was not until he turned down and said he is Nabi. That's when the ulama started saying, no, hold on, you're going to be too far now.
From the Holy Quran, there are so many ways and angles from which we can prove the truth of the Holy Prophet, Holy Prophet Messiah, alayhi salam. You see, the fact is that all the signs of the truth of prophets, whether they are small or big, basically belong to the same category. Because La nufarriqu bayna ahadin min rusuli also means this, that we don't see any, although it's the word of those who believe, but if God had made differentiations, some with different types of proofs, some with different types of proofs, then those who viewed this could not have said La nufarriqu bayna ahadin min rusuli. Then there would be tafriq on this and that and that, and so many categories from the point of view of what they bring in support of them, or what happens to them, would be brought forward, and a man could not claim like the claim made and attributed to Rasulullah and his companions. Now from this I am going to categorize. For instance, this is a universal thing. All the prophets of Allah, before they have made a claim, are not only innocent in the eyes of those who know them from close quarter, but they are marjuween, those about whom high expectations are pinned. Society looks up at them. You know, it's great people, rising stars, and they always respect them, and without fail they never find fault in their character prior to the claim. Now, as far as the history of prophets is preserved by the Holy Quran, we see this applicable everywhere. Whatever they said against Noah was after he had claimed. Whatever they said against Saleh was after he had claimed. Whatever they said against Abraham or any other prophet was always after they had claimed to be from God, never before. But one moment when they claim to be from Allah, what a transformation in the attitude of the people. They completely go topsy-turvy in their mind, in their attitudes, and that man, who was man of the highest expectation before, suddenly becomes the worst of the society. That one man who could never be blamed for any lie whatsoever, never in his life before he was prophet, or he claimed to be from Allah. Suddenly all sorts of lies are attributed to him, and he's also described as having forged things against Allah. So this is the basic character of a type of proof. I say it's not a character of the Prophet, it's a character of a type of proofs which is applicable to all the prophets of Allah alike. And there are others as well. After they make a claim, then the whole society abandons them. Even the next of kin abandon them. And there is no party of strong people from among the society to support them. Those who make a claim with the support of a group from among themselves are never prophets of Allah. We don't see a single account of any prophet who claimed with the support of a large group behind him. You'll find large groups behind Musailama Kazzab, Ansi, what was his name? Aswad Ansi, and so on and so forth. But never in the history of prophets you will find that a prophet comes out along with a party, a group, strong group in an area, a clan. On the contrary, his own family members reject him, except for one or two solitary exceptions. That happens in every case. In case of Abraham, his nephew, except in case of Hazrat Rasulullah, his cousin. So this is another type of proof that they reject him outright, and there is no tribal or clannish support behind him. And in case of false claimants, even those who claimed of Imam Mahdi later on, you'll always find some clannish support behind them. But then comes another. Allah does not abandon them. The whole world does, but Allah does not. Despite the fact that they are rendered totally powerless. Support comes from heaven, and they go on growing against all odds, against all opposition and hostility. Instead of becoming smaller, they become larger and larger. And yet the enemy says, we are going to win. And the answer is, how could you win? أَفَلَا يَرَوْنَ أَنَّ نَعْطِي الْأَرْضَ نَنْقُصُهَا مِنْ أَطْرَافِهَا أَفَهُمُ الْغَالِبُونَ. How stupid they are. They claim they are going to emerge victorious. Because the Muslims are small. The believer and his companions are small once they grow. But don't they see that every time we compete with each other, we come into clash, their soil is lost and ours increases. When the territory of the enemy at every encounter becomes smaller, how can he claim that he would win? It's so mad. In the Quranic arguments, there's such beauty. A small thing is said apparently, but when you study it, then you find it is an invincible thing, irrefutable argument. And this is what happens in case of every prophet of God. They begin with nothingness. They grow from nothingness to something, something to something bigger. And the course of their progress has never been reversed by the enemies. So there are these categories. If you would like me to further elaborate these things, I'll come turn by turn, and there are many.